What you are going to watch is all about the automotive fuel system. Let's define it. The fuel system is a series of components in an engine that stores and delivers fuel to the engine for combustion. It's so simple like that. It is the system that delivers the fuel from the engine in order to combust. How does it work? The function of fuel system is it stores fuel, filters it, and ensures precise delivery to the engine cylinders based on demand. It is said that it is not just delivers the fuel but also manage how to deliver it precisely. Now, what is it used for? The purpose of fuel system is to apply the engine with the correct amount of fuel mixed with air for efficient combustion and energy production. Without this system, the vehicle will not work at all. So thanks the fuel system, the fuel being combusted is resulted or converted into mechanical motion.
Car fuel systems have evolved from basic carburetors in early 1900s to sophisticated fuel injection technologies today. Early carburetors mixed fuel and air for the engine, while later improvements included multi-barrel systems and the shift to fuel injection in the 1960s for better efficiency and emissions control. In the 1980s, electronic fuel injection became standard, and the 1990s direct fuel injection and turbocharging improved performance and fuel economy.
The rise of hybrid and electric vehicle in 2000 led to further innovation in fuel system, with a focus of alternative fuels and smart technologies to optimize efficiency and reduce emissions.
Parts and function of a fuel system. A fuel system consists of 13 parts. The first part is the rollover check valve. The rollover check valve prevents fuel leakage during a rollover by stopping fuel flow in abnormal positions. Next is the fuel tank vapor vent lines. The fuel tank vapor vent lines allows fuel vapors to escape safely, usually to the vapor recovery system. Next is fuel tank. The fuel tank stores fuel and contains system for vapor management. Filler cap. The filler cap seals the fuel tank to prevent contamination and maintain pressure. Grommet. It seals the fuel filler neck to prevent leaks and protect the nose.
Filler vent hose adapter. Connects the filler neck to the vent hose for vapor release during refueling. Filler hose. Filler hose transfer fuel from the pump to the tank during refueling. Filler vent hose. Filler vent hose vents air and vapors from the tank to avoid pressure build up during filling. Fuel filter. Suck. Filters out debris before fuel enters the pump. Return line from fuel filter. Return line from fuel filter recirculates excess fuel back to the tank. Fuel outline lines to fuel pump. Carries fuel from the tank to the pump for engine use. Gauge locking ring to charcoal canister. Secures the fuel level sensor and connects to the vapor recovery system. Liquid check valve. Prevents liquid fuel from entering the vapor lines or charcoal canister. And that's all the 13 parts and function of the fuel system. Thank you.
Basic construction of fuel system. The fuel system in a vehicle or machinery is crucial for delivering fuel to the engine for combustion. Here are the basic overview of its components and their functions. Number 1. Fuel tank. Its function is, it stores fuel until it is needed by the engine. 2. Fuel pump. It moves fuel from the tank to the engine. Number 3. Fuel filter. It removes impurities and contaminants from the fuel before it reaches the engine. Number 4. Fuel lines. It transports fuel from the tank to the engine. Number 5. Fuel injectors. Atomize and deliver fuel directly to the combustion chamber or intake manifold. Number 6. Intake manifold. It distributes the air-fuel mixture to the engine cylinder. Number 7. Control unit or ECU. It manages fuel injection and engine performance. Number 8. Return line. It returns unused fuel from the injectors back to the tank. Number 9. Pressure regulator. It maintains a constant fuel pressure to the injectors. The fuel system is designed to ensure reliable and efficient flow of fuel to the engine, enabling it to run smoothly and efficiently. That's all. Thank you.
Single point injection, also called throttle body injection. Use one injector in a throttle body mounted similarly to a carburetor on a intake manifold. As in a carburetor injection system, the fuel is mixed with air before entering the intake manifold. Port fuel injection. Gasoline is sprayed into the intake manifold where it mixes with air and then sucked down into the cylinder. Direct fuel injection system. The direct fuel injection system means that fuel is injected into the main combustion chamber of each cylinder. The air and fuel are mixed only inside the combustion chamber. Therefore, only air is sucked into the engine during the intake stroke. Sequential fuel injection. Sequential fuel injection, also known as sequential port fuel injection or time injection. This is a more advanced multi-port fuel injection method. Unlike basic multi-port injectors that spray all of their fuel at the same time, sequential fuel injection trigger each injector's nozzle independently.
The engine is running, and I'm looking at how it gets fuel. The fuel tank holds the gasoline like a big container. A pump inside the tank pushes the gas through tubes and filters catches any dirt that could get in the way. The fuel goes to tiny sprayers called injectors, which shoots the gas into the engine cylinder. The engine computer tells the injector how much gas to use. The gas mixes with air and the spark ignites it, making a small explosion. This explosion pushes the engine parts, making the car moves. It's all about getting the right amount of gas to the engine at the right time.
Our topic today is about fuel system. The fuel system is a network of components responsible for storing, delivering, and managing fuel to power the engine efficiently and effectively. What types of main parts? Fuel tank, fuel pump, fuel filter, fuel injectors, engine control unit. What types of functions? Stores fuel, delivers fuel to engine, regulates fuel pressure, and mix air and fuel controls emissions. What types of fuel system? Carburetor, fuel injected, direct fuel injection. What goals of fuel system? Fuel efficiency, engine performance, low emissions, reliability, and safety.
Good morning everyone. Today I'll discuss what vapor fuel line is and its importance. Vapor fuel line is a hose that used to transfer fuel vapor into the fuel tank. The reason behind the vaporization of fuel can be caused by the heat of engine, environment, or the boiling point. Now, the importance of having this in your vehicle, it is regulate pressure and allows the connection between the ship tank's vapor space and shore tank's vapor space.